Zucchini can be a very versatile vegetable due to its fresh taste and texture. It can be used to prepare several different dishes, such as zucchini pasta, which is much richer in nutrients than traditional pasta. Zucchini is rich in niacin and is a source of vitamin B and vitamin A, as well as minerals like potassium, phosphorus, calcium, sodium, and magnesium. Because it's an excellent source of fibers and contains large amounts of water, zucchini is easy to digest and largely used to regulate bowel movements. But its benefits don't end there. Here are 5 reasons to add zucchini to your diet. It helps you lose weight. Zucchini is the perfect food for those who want to lose a few pounds. Since it's dense and low in calories, zucchini can satisfy you in small amounts. In addition, it's rich in fiber that decreases sugar absorption and fat ingestion, affecting the long-term weight loss process. It fights hypertension. High blood pressure is a risk factor because it directly increases the risk of heart disease. Zucchini is rich in minerals like potassium and magnesium that help balance blood pressure. It improves digestion. Zucchini is rich in B-complex vitamins such as niacin, which help promote proper digestion. Because it's rich in fiber, it also regulates bowel movements and improves nutrient absorption during digestion. It improves eye health. Among its many nutrients, zucchini also contains lutein and zeaxanthin. These 2 pigments are responsible for absorbing the energy of blue light emitted by the sun and preventing free radicals from causing damage to our eyes. Intake of these pigments has been proven to reduce the risk of macular degeneration and possible blindness. It protects the skin. Just as the lutein and zeaxanthin present in zucchini are beneficial for our eyes, these pigments are also very important for our skin's health and can even prevent melanoma, skin cancer. They also have antioxidant action and are capable of improving our skin's hydration and elasticity, in addition to preventing damage caused by the sun. Plus, zucchini vitamins serve as antioxidants that fight many skin problems related to aging. Manganese, one of the minerals found in zucchini, helps in the formation of collagen, the protein that supports the skin. If you eat zucchini often, here's a tip. Don't store it for more than 5 days in the refrigerator so that its medicinal properties aren't lost. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.